Hello friends and welcome back to another art video. Today I am sharing this very simple drawing for Holi. As we draw along, I am going to share with you some stories regarding Holi. But before going to the main story of Holi, let us know about the story of a day before Holi, that is the story of Holika Dahan. It was believed that there lived a demon king, Hiranyakashipu, who won a boon from Lord Brahma that he could not be killed by any man or an animal or by a weapon during day or night, on the earth or in the sky, inside a house or outside. After this boon, he conquered the three worlds and prevented all forms of Vishnu worship. He became arrogant and demanded that everyone should worship him as a god. However, his own son Prahlad failed to comply with his father's wishes and continued to worship Lord Vishnu with complete devotion. His father tried many ways to change his son, but when he couldn't, he wanted to kill him. He involved his sister Holika in his plans, who had the boon that fire couldn't harm her. So, she sat with her nephew Prahlad on her lap in a bonfire. But Holika got burnt and died, while Prahlad, blessed by Lord Vishnu, remained unharmed. There are many stories regarding why the boon of Holika didn't work, and some of them are that she could only enter the fire alone or she would perish. And other stories goes about that if you enter the fire with wicked intentions, then the boon wouldn't work. And there are others who believe that Holika had a shawl which would prevent her from getting burnt in the fire, but that shawl flew away from her and covered Prahlad, thus saving him. Whatever be the reason, the moral of the story is that those who love God shall be saved, and that those who torture the devotees of God shall be reduced to ashes. Later on, Lord Vishnu, in the form of Narasimha, that is, one half of his body was of a lion and the other half of a man, killed Hiranyakashipu. He got killed on the lap of Lord Vishnu's avatar Narasimha at the threshold of his palace at dusk. Narasimha tore his stomach with his claws, thereby fulfilling all criteria, that is, Narasimha was not a man, woman, or an animal created by Lord Brahma. No weapons were used. A threshold is neither indoors nor outdoors. Dusk is neither a day nor night. And being on lap is neither earth nor space. So a day before Holi, on Choti Holi, people light bonfires to celebrate the triumph of good over evil. People also pray before the bonfire that their internal evil be destroyed the way Holika was destroyed. Holi is also a time of transition from winter to the spring and summer, so it is also considered as one of the harvest festivals in parts of India. According to another legend, Lord Krishna had developed a characteristic blue skin color after Putana, a demon, poisoned him with her milk. Lord Krishna worried whether Radha and her companions would ever like him because of his skin color. Krishna's mother then asked him to approach Radha and smear her face with any color he wanted, and this playful coloring gradually evolved as a tradition and is now celebrated all over India as the festival of colors, Holi. Even today, Holi is one of the most important festivals of Braj, where the men of Nandgaon and women of Barsana play Latmar Holi. Holi is a time when we break all the barriers of gender, age, race, religion, and the people from diverse backgrounds and professions are united in the celebrations. There are different colors associated with our feelings and emotions. Anger is associated with red, jealousy with green, vibrancy, and happiness with yellow, love with pink, vastness with blue, peace with white, sacrifice with saffron, knowledge with violet. Your life should be like the festival of Holi, where each color is seen clearly as it adds charm to your life. Harmony in diversity makes life vibrant, joyful, and happy. Holi is a festival of fun and frolic, and this color of life should drive us to do some good work for our society and nation also. So with these beautiful thoughts, I come to the end of this voiceover, and I hope you enjoy this speed drawing. Wishing all of you a very happy Holi, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.